This 2022 Forest River Wildwood FSX 170SS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, slide-out, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, refrigerator, air conditioning, leveling jacks, smoke detector. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Wildwood FSX 170SS is 3,819 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.